Welcome to Shree Learning Academy. Our today's topic is understanding SATCOM, that is satellite communication. So let's get started. In this fast-paced digital era, it's all about staying connected no matter where you are on this planet. One technology that makes this possible is SATCOM, an acronym for satellite communication. It's a vast subject that has found its application in numerous fields such as broadcasting, military, and space missions. What is SATCOM? In layman terms, SATCOM is a technology that uses satellites to send and receive signals for audio and data transmission. Think of it as a relay race, where the baton, in this case the information, is passed from a sender to the satellite and then received by a receiver on the earth. This technology helps in transmitting signals across large distances, overcoming geographical barriers and allowing communication even in the remotest corner of the world. The working mechanism of SATCOM. Now you might wonder, how exactly does this all work? Let's consider an example. Imagine you are trying to make a phone call from a remote island. Your cell phone connects to a nearby satellite hovering above the earth in a particular orbit. The satellite acts as a signal relay point. When you talk, your voice is converted into an electronic signal. This signal is then sent to the satellite, which in turn sends it to the recipient. This process is almost instantaneous, allowing for real-time communication. However, despite the numerous advantages of SATCOM, it's worth noting that the data transmission speeds are slower than terrestrial solutions. This is because of the long distances that the signals need to travel to and from the satellite. The signal needs to travel up to the satellite and then back down to the receiver, and this trip is over hundreds of miles. In locations where terrestrial infrastructure is lacking or infeasible to establish, such as mountains, deep forest, or ocean, SATCOM provides a lifeline. Let's take the case of emergency responders in a disaster-stricken area. Often in such scenarios, the existing infrastructure is severely damaged, making it nearly impossible to communicate using traditional means. Here, SATCOM can provide a reliable, independent, and portable communication solution that allows rescue teams to coordinate effectively, potentially saving countless lives. Ensuring security in SATCOM. An important aspect to consider when talking about any form of communication is security. As our society becomes increasingly digital, the threat of cyber attacks and data breaches is more real than ever. Given the sensitive nature of the information transmitted via SATCOM, encryption is essential to ensure the confidentiality and integrity of the data. Encryption is a method of converting the data into a code to prevent unauthorized access. In SATCOM, encryption happens twice. First, between the portable device and the satellite, and second, between the satellite and the ground station. This double layer of protection helps safeguard the data from eavesdroppers and hackers who might attempt to intercept the signal. However, once the data reaches the ground station, it often travels in plain text over traditional communication methods such as landline, cellular, or data connections. This leaves the information vulnerable to interception during this final leg of its journey. So how do we address this? To ensure the maximum level of security, sensitive data should be pre-encrypted before being sent over SATCOM connection. This process is similar to sending a coded message, where only the recipient who knows the decryption key can decode and understand the message. Pre-encryption adds an additional layer of security, making it significantly more difficult for unauthorized parties to access the data. The future of SATCOM. Looking to the future, SATCOM's role is set to grow in significance. With advancements in technology and increasing demand for seamless global connectivity, SATCOM has the potential to revolutionize several industries. From enabling autonomous vehicles to navigate through remote areas to facilitating communication for astronauts in space mission, the possibilities are endless. In conclusion, SATCOM is a complex yet fascinating technology that plays a crucial role in our digital lives, often without us even realizing it. By overcoming geographical barriers and enabling communication in the most challenging environment, it connects people, powers industries, and even saves lives. At the same time, the security aspects of SATCOM remind us of the ongoing battle between technological advancement and the ever-increasing cyber threats. As we move into an increasingly connected future, the need for secure and reliable communication system like SATCOM will only grow stronger. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do check out the written explanation on our website. And don't forget to take this quiz based on this video. The links are in the description box below. Subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos. And if you have any doubts, Do let us know in the comment section and we will try our best to solve them for you. For private coaching, do contact us by visiting shreelearningacademy.com or on WhatsApp. See you in the next one.